Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get Astral Client easily. This client enhances your Minecraft Bedrock Edition experience with performance boosts and a Java-like interface. We will cover finding the right download, preparing your device, and the simple installation steps. Many users report significant frame rate improvements and a cleaner user interface. Let's get started on transforming your gameplay today. First, navigate to a trusted source online, such as the official Astral Client website or a well-known Minecraft Bedrock community site. Look for the most recent version of the client, typically labeled as V7 or higher. Ensure you select the download compatible with your device, whether it's mobile or Windows. After downloading, you might find a file ending in Macadon or a zip archive. If it's a zip, you may need to extract it or rename it to Macadon for direct installation. Once you have the client file, installation is straightforward. For an Macadon file, simply tap or double-click it and Minecraft Bedrock Edition should automatically import it. If you downloaded a zip file and extracted it, move the resulting folder into your game's resource packs directory. After the import, launch Minecraft. You should see a confirmation message indicating the client has been successfully added to your game. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. With the client installed, it's time to activate it. Go to your Minecraft settings, then find the Global Resources section. Here, you will see Astral Client listed under My Packs. Activate it to move it to the active section. Now, jump into a world or server and experience the enhanced gameplay. You'll notice features like an improved user interface, better performance, and various PvP modifications, making your Minecraft adventures smoother and more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.